One way you can navigate through a document is to jump from section to section. Here's a traditional way to quickly get to the exact section that you need. In longer documents, it's not unusual to use section breaks. These are commonly used when you need to change the layout characteristics of different parts of your document. If your document uses sections, you can use the Go-To function of Word to easily jump to a specific section. To demonstrate, consider the document that's on the screen. It contains nothing but filler text, but if we jump all the way to the end of the document, you can see that it includes 7 sections. Notice as well, at the beginning of each section, I have a line that indicates what section we're in. That's just so it makes it easier to see what we're doing within this document. If I want to jump to section 5, all I need to do is press the F5 key, and that displays the Go-To tab of the Find and Replace dialog box. At the left side of the dialog box, I'm going to click on Section, and then in the Enter Section Number, I'm going to say Section 5. That's where I want to go to. So if I click now on Go To, you can see that we jumped to the beginning of Section 5. If I click Close at this time, then I can go ahead and do whatever I need to do here in Section 5 of the document. There's something else to realize about the Go-To function. If I press F5 to display the dialog box like you see on the screen here, you can see what the settings were that we used just a moment ago. But if I delete what's in the Enter Section Number box, then I can click on the Next button, and it'll take me to the next section in the document. Or I can click on Previous, and it'll take me to the previous section in the document. The bottom line is that if you're using sections in your document, then the Go-To function is a quick and easy way to navigate from section to section. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my WordTips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.